Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to join the vidIQ affiliate program. So in the last video I showed you how to connect your vidIQ account to your YouTube channel, but that's not necessary if you just want to be a vidIQ affiliate. So first, before we get started, you would need to open a vidIQ account. I will leave my affiliate link in the description if you guys want to open an account through that link and support the channel in the same time. So you can pause the video here, open an account and then come back to the video. So once you open up your account, you will automatically be directed to your dashboard. So from here, go over to your profile icon right here. If you didn't connect your channel, then this would be a gray person icon. So just click on your profile icon right here and go to the Affiliate Center. An overlay window will load on which you can choose your referral URL. So for this you can either put your name, your channel name, or anything related to yourself or your brand. I will just put in my channel name. Once you figure it out, you can click Enroll Now. So once you clicked Enroll Now and created your link, you will be redirected to your Affiliate Center. So here you can see all the details related to the vidIQ affiliate program and your personal referrals. So here are some details around the program. If you refer more than 10 people, then you get 15% recurring commissions. If you refer 11 to 50 people, then you earn 20% monthly commission. If you refer more than 51 people, then you will earn 25% monthly commissions. So overall, this affiliate program is pretty good in comparison to other ones. So to finish your application, you would just need to input your PayPal email here, so that vidIQ can pay you through your PayPal. So that's how you apply to vidIQ affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my affiliate links or my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.